We'll teach lac asinum today, another remedy from the mammals group, and it is prepared from the donkey's milk. So the whole theme of lac asinum, you can imagine that of a orphan child who has been adopted by someone of the upper hierarchy, of the richer person, and that child always feel harassed, always feel tormented, always feel adopted. He exerts so much of his life in impressing his upper hierarchy, the person who has adopted him. That much exertion you will always find. He thinks that he is worthless. He always try and pursue to impress the upper hierarchy, and there won't be any specific reason why he is doing that, why he is trying to impress the upper hierarchy. The reason could be he wanted to be in the group, but there is unknown reason that he wanted to impress his upper hierarchy. That is the theme of the lac asinum. Quite similar to the donkeys, you can say, although the doctrine of signature you will find everywhere out there in the mammals remedy. So this is the lac part used, this is the animal SAR code, and so we'll discuss the mentals. He thinks the food is dirty, bad, same delusion present in Veratrum album. So whenever the food is presented to him, he thinks that it is dirty and bad. He doesn't like eating. He doesn't like eating food what is given to him. Lots of poetic mood you can find in lac asinum, similarly present in germanium at bed, but there won't be any reason why he is poetic, and there is poetry he won't publish. He always will be very timid and will be very shy to publish it somewhere else. That is why the lac asinum, he didn't know what is the worth of his life. Always tend to do the worthless thing. Always wanted to impress someone of other hierarchy, of higher hierarchy. That's it. Lac asinum mental resembles to a young boy who suffered humiliation from the childhood. Because he has been adopted, he suffered lots and lots of humiliation. Now he has lost all his confidence of doing any lethal work. So now he has lost all the confidence that he is doing certain lethal work. The ailment from insult and offenses. Another ailment from being adopted, due to which he suffered from a lot of humiliation. So he has been adopted, and in childhood he suffered a lot for humiliation and insult, and he didn't have that much confidence whether he is doing any lethal work or not. So totality we can see mind, insult, offenses, ailment from aggravate. Lots of insult and offenses we will found out. Adoption, ailment from aggravate. Delusion is stupid he is. Lac as always used to think he is stupid. Same delusion we will find calcaria in there somewhere somehow. Delusion worthless he is. He thinks he is worthless. He didn't know what is the worth of his life. Delusion, what does dirty and important. He thinks whatever he is doing, he is dirty and important. Delusion exerts himself. Lots of exertion you will find in order to impress the upper hierarchy, and didn't know what is the reason of doing that type of exertion. What is the need? Initiative, lack of initiative we can find. He don't want to initiate things very fast. If you give a lac asinum 1 lakh rupees and you will say whichever business you want to do you can do, he didn't have that much guts whether what to extract. Lots of initiative lack of we will find. Television washing desire. Think of this remedy, beautiful remedy, especially on the psychological basis, especially on the mental aspects. We can prescribe lac asinum a lot. Especially in thyroid cases and autoimmune disorder, this remedy can do incredibly act well. Delusion, food is bad or dirty, lac asinum. Mood, poetic. Although he don't want to publish his poetry work, but he is always muting. He may write something poetry type of things, but he won't able to publish that at all. Extremities, knees, patella, left, sitting aggravates. So pain in left patella, which aggravates on sitting. Pain in patella rising from sitting aggravates. So after sitting, rising aggravate the pain in the patella. pain exercise after violent in the lower limbs. After the exercise, there is violent pain in the lower limb. Think of this remedy as I know. And food and drink, milk product desire, especially in the night. So like Asinum will look around at the night, he will open the fridge and he will drink something of milk or butter or cheese, he will eat that. Think of the class Asinum. I hope you find this remedy interesting. And this is the course that me and Dr. Lakshmi Prashanti are doing. And we'll see you on the other side in few days. It's starting from the 28th of April. And this is our 2 books. Most important is therapeutic book of unsung remedies. From this particular book, most of the remedies I am teaching nowadays. You can contact to me nishan25smilebox@gmail.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.